Hello everybody, so now we're gonna go to general speaking and it's this topic, it's how typical are you? In this we're gonna choose the expression that best completes each sentence. So you're gonna take out your workbook, you can pause the video in this section to see the right answers, and here you go. So number one, it says unlike many Americans, people in my country do not watch a lot of TV. Then while many of my friends eat meat, I'm vegetarian. Number three, except for the fact that Monica is a typical teenager, except for the fact that she likes to get up early in the morning. Then the number four, we have unlike lots of my friends, I spend very little time on my phone. Number five, similar to people my age, except that I don't have life. I don't live at home. Six, unlike of my classmates or most of my classmates, I prefer walking home to taking the bus. Number seven, except that students in my country are just like other teenagers or teens. Um, they except that we sometimes have to go to school on Saturdays. Then the next one, I like all kinds of music except for jazz. Okay, now let's gonna go to the next part below. This is vocabulary. Okay, vocabulary. Well, we have the next words. We have amenable, conform to, conservative, fits in, follows the crowd, make waves, rebellious, unconventional. Okay, then you can pause a bit in this section and try to fill it in by yourself. The next sentences. Now let's gonna reveal the answers, and here you go. Number one, Emma fits in easily with other girls in her college. I don't mind working overtime. I'm actually quite amenable other people's ideas. Number three, Niall likes to do his own thing. He doesn't conform to other people ideas. So I'm sorry, so sorry. So it's number two is I don't mind working overtime. I'm actually quite amenable to it. Three, it's Niall likes to do his own things. He doesn't conform to other people ideas. Number four is Sam does the opposite of what people tell him to do. He is very rebellious. And number five, my town is very resistant to change. It's quiet, conservative. Six, Sadie always goes along with her friends' plans. She doesn't like to makes waves. And seven, Jay has unconventional ideas about his work. He tries to be original, and my cousin usually follows the crowd when it comes to fashion. She likes to dress exactly like her friends. So these are the answers. Okay, now let's gonna continue to the next section. So this is practice of the unit number 9. So we have here, we're gonna read the description of the people who are either similar to or different from. Write sentence using unlike, while, in contrast to, except that, except for, etc. Says, what are you like? You can pause the video in this section and to see each people's profile. Okay, I'm gonna make like a zoom in here. And well, now you're gonna write down the next profiles and you're gonna compare. That will be the activity of the workbook, this activity. You're gonna look to the profiles and try to make a comparison, you and them. That's the activity of the workbook. And the next one is writing activity. Read these paragraphs and answer the questions. So you can pause the video. We can pause the video right here. Okay, we have the next question. What is the topic sentence? What reasons are given to support the topic sentence? And what fact is given to support the topic sentence? As you know, the topic sentence are collocated in on the beginning of a paragraph. So you see more and more Americans living alone nowadays. This is my topic sentence. And then what reasons are given to support the topic sentence? Okay, well, these are the reasons, and I'm gonna show them up. Increasing number of people and living alone because of varying life circumstances. More people are choosing to live alone today. So these are examples and what facts given to support the topic sentence. This one's 28% of all households in the US are made up of just one person. Now let's see the next part. It says a typical American living alone. Okay, just what is the topic sentence? Remember that it's collocated at the beginning of a paragraph. Then we're gonna look to the examples giving support topic sentence. Then what reasons are given to support the topic sentence. Now let's gonna check them out, reveal the answers. It's the typical American living alone. It's neither old nor lonely. It's a topic sentence about 5 million people between the ages of 18 and 34 live alone. And the next one, the majority of these people have chosen to live alone. Okay, so these are the reasons, couple of examples. Then choose the topic sentence below that you like the best. Then add at least 4 supporting statements to make complete paragraphs. Also, exactly the same. We're gonna practice the and this topic. So making supporting ideas about any of these topics. So you're gonna pick up any of this, okay? All right, then let's gonna go to the next part. So that will be it for workbook part 1. We may continue with the next video. Okay.